Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to my channel. Even if the task of a housewife become more modern in this advanced era, life would become so much easier. This is a simple chicken marination that you can cook and freeze it whenever you need it. You can use it in different recipes, prepare various kind of dishes in just a minute. The things you need in this recipe is boneless chicken, curd, Tandori masala, lemon juice and a bit of oil. Mix all the ingredients very well and leave it for 30 to 60 minutes. It's up to you. Now transfer marinated chicken in a frying pan and cook on a very low flame for 5 to 6 minutes. Cook until all the water dries. Chicken will be ready within a 5 to 6 minutes. Here it is. Now let them cool and take a ziploc bag. Transfer all the marinated chicken in a ziploc bag and keep it in the refrigerator for up to 1 month. If you enjoy this recipe, please subscribe my channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Jazakallah, Allah Hafiz.